I'm Monster 1970, and today while I was cleaning out the garage I found this Mother's headlight restoration kit, and I thought that I would go and try cleaning up some faded headlights with it. So let's get started. This is what was included in the kit. Have the Powerball, which it was used once before, someone didn't clean it, but this is cleanable, washable. I did clean it off. That's as good as I could get it. But anyway, there's a Powerball. Comes with some severe damage headlight restoration pack with the instructions, a couple gloves, a towel to wipe it up, the polish off, and the polish itself. I'm going to be using this DeWalt drill and some masking tape. And according to the instructions, what we need to do is first attach the Powerball to the drill, apply a nickel size amount of power plastic, 4 lights to center of ball, and then we are going to start drill slowly to avoid slinging, polish in small areas until entire lens is clear, using back and forth overlapping motions. And then step 3, we're going to be buffing clean with the supplied microfiber towel, and then it says the lens should be crystal clear, so we'll give it a try. First we'll do this on the 2016 Toyota RAV4. Here we are at the 2015 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to be masking this off. Put a nickel size amount on the center of this. Whoa, this may not be any good. I'm going to try it. Okay, I'm going to wipe that off. Go over it again. Tape off. better. Okay, this is a 4 and this is an after. I'm going to go and clean up the other side and I'll be back. Okay, here is the driver's side headlight that I did. It's pretty good except for it's a little hazed here and down in this corner yet. Can't seem to get that off. But it's definitely better than what it was. This is a 2001 Ford F-150. Going to be doing the same thing with this. Said, I don't think this stuff is very good. It's looking a little bit better. I don't really think that made any difference. Maybe. So there's the after. And this is a before. So I'm going to do the other side and then I'll be back. Here's the other light polished up on the 2001 Ford F-150. It's a little better than what it originally was. Before using this Mother's headlight restoration kit to clean the headlights on the 2015 Toyota RAV4 and the 2016 Toyota RAV4 and the 2001 Ford F-150. It came out okay. The kit is definitely old and the polish was pretty runny, but it did accomplish the task. I think I'm going to throw this out after this video because it's definitely old and not working the way that it should. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.